Okay guys, this is a 2023 Audi S4 presented to you from Chapman Auto. This is a rebuilt title, had left front damage, all been fixed up. Driver's airbag deployed, it's been replaced, factory airbags. This is the cool like cement gray color, but I believe this color does have some metallics in there. This is a Premium Plus package. S4. Red brakes, red interior, red guts in it with massage seats. Take a look at the area. This is where all the damage was right through here. So you can take a look. Everything looks as if it should. See, all the colors match. Body lines look really clean. It does have the hologram there that shows up on the red seats. Got some suede accents in there. Let me start this up here for you. So this does have, how many miles? 8,840 on it. Smart key, carbon fiber accents, heated seats, backup camera and 360 camera. Hear that thing run. Sunroof. This is an all-wheel drive Quattro, and if you want to get a better look at that paint close up, you can see it's got some metallic in there, but almost looks like a cement gray. You can check out all our inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.